I'm on a mission to see if it's possible to go from broke to a millionaire in 1 year. Hey friends, I'm Deedee and welcome to day 8 of my experiment. I started this journey on the 1st of February 2026 and it's currently the 8th of February 2026. So we have successfully completed the first week and I'm proud of myself. Give myself a little pat on the back. So one of my goals is to make one small incremental change every single day and to make one major change every single week. Let's address the elephant in the room. You're probably wondering, how does this crazy girl intend on becoming a millionaire in 1 year? In all honesty, I don't know exactly how it is or what it is that I'm going to do to become a millionaire in 1 year. I have like a vague idea of what it is that I'm going to do. If I knew exactly how to become a millionaire, I'd already be a millionaire and we would not be doing this experiment. In a nutshell, I don't know how I'm going to do it. All I know is that I'm just going to keep showing up every day, keep trusting the process, keep doing what I'm supposed to do. And hopefully all of that, with all that discipline and all of that work, it will lead to something successful. So let's talk about my vague idea of how it is that I intend to become a millionaire in 1 year. The internet has made more millionaires and billionaires over the past 20 years than any other industry combined. So I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. Why reinvent the wheel? I'm going to follow that same path. I don't personally know anything about crypto or Bitcoin or drop shipping or sales or any of those things. What I do know about is I know about YouTube and I'm professionally a software developer. I'm a trained software developer. That's what I have my degree in. That's what I went to university for. And I laugh about that when I say it because I was not a good developer. I was not a good programmer. And so that is why I left that field behind. But I do know about YouTube. I have been semi-successfully doing YouTube for the past 10 years. I started in 2014. I uploaded like maybe 1 or 2 videos over that time, but I officially started my channel in 2016. And I've been semi-successful of doing it. I have videos with 5 million views. I have over 20 million views on my channel. And I don't say this to brag or to boast. I just want to give you some insights on what I know in essence. So I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. I'm going to focus on trying to get my millions from YouTube. My goal for 2026 is to basically make my life like this big experiment. 2026 and beyond, depending on how 2026 works out. My goal is to make my life like this. Last year, I created a few channels and I am just going to focus on creating content and I'm just going to be throwing a bunch of stuff on the wall and see what sticks. I have a channel where I do DIY outfits. I have a channel where I do workout videos. I have a channel where I do travel vlogs. I have a channel where I do lip sync, mukbang, sing along, thingy-majiggies. We met every I love you. I have a bunch of channels and I'll just be throwing things at the wall just to see what sticks. Hopefully something sticks. I'll just be trusting the process, putting in the work, and hopefully something works out for me. Like I said, I've successfully completed week 1. So we are at the crossroads now where I need to make one major change moving forward. I've analyzed my actions throughout the past week and I came on 2 distinct things that I want to change moving forward. One regarding my diet and one regarding YouTube. So let's start with the easiest one first. Regarding my diet, like I told you guys, I'm currently doing clean keto. If you don't know what clean keto is, it's basically no refined sugar, no refined carbs, no processed meat. And to stick to the ketogenic diet, you have to eat less than 50 carbs within a day. If you've been keeping up with my daily videos, then you've been seeing what I've been eating the past week. I've been eating a bunch of rice. And whilst rice falls under clean keto, it doesn't go well with my body. I love rice. I'm absolutely in love with rice. I would eat rice every friggin' day. Like, if you want to make me happy, give me rice. But here's the deal. My body doesn't work well with rice. And I'm not just saying this because I want to be all prim and proper and preppy or whatever. My body genuinely doesn't work well with rice. When I eat rice, I break out, I get bloated, and I get constipated. And that's just no bueno. It's just not worth it. It just doesn't make sense. So moving forward, I'm cutting rice out of the diet. So for my second major change moving forward, I want to devote 4 hours every single day to YouTube towards improving my content. What will that look like? It'll be like researching new YouTube strategies, seeing what the cool kids are doing, seeing what they're doing that I'm not doing, seeing how to grow a channel, you know, coming up with different video ideas, like coming up with new ways to make thumbnails, all of those things. I want to invest at least 4 hours every single day into that so I can make better content that I'm proud of. Speaking of content that I'm proud of, I read a book recently. It's called The Hard to Start, and it's by David Kadavi. And basically what the book is saying, that give yourself permission to suck. What he's saying in essence is that when you start doing something, the quality will not meet your standards at first. But without practice and without continuation, the quality will never meet your standards. Like, for example, my workout channel. The videos that I have on my workout channel, they don't meet my standards. The audio could be better, the video quality could be better, the workouts could be better, the energy could be higher, the music could be better. There's a million things that could be improved. But I already made those videos, and I would be robbing myself and robbing my viewers, not saying that I am this great person, but I would be robbing myself and robbing my viewers of an opportunity to improve with these videos, because without poor quality, you'll never get to good quality. If you think that you're gonna start off and start at the top, you will never get there. You will never get there. That's in essence. Anyway, I think I'm going off on a tangent, but yes. That is one of my strategies, is to invest 4 hours every single day, 100% towards YouTube, towards growing my channel, towards making better quality stuff. And yeah, I think I'll be proud of that. It's about time that I start wrapping up this video. So let's discuss the daily disciplines that I'm currently following. The first one is I'm eating clean keto. The second one is I'm doing a calorie restriction of 1,600 calories per day. Number 3, I'm doing a daily fast of 16 hours per day. Number 4, I'm drinking 3 bottles of water minimum every day. Number 5 is my daily Pilates. Number 6, I do a 5-minute stretch every day. Number 7, I do 10,000 steps every day. I do a 30 minutes meditation every day. I practice Spanish for 15 minutes. I practice Russian for 15 minutes. I take a progress picture. And lastly, I read 10 pages of a self-development book every single day. Now moving forward, I'll be investing 4 hours into my YouTube channel in improving the quality of my content. Ooh, Chile, that was long and that was hard. Anyways, guys, hopefully you get some insights into what it is that I'm doing and how I intend to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. Mwah. Bye.